Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Quick video today. I got a box delivered the other day for an order that I placed on Moto Composites for the first bit of carbon for the Monster. So it finally came in. It is the protector for the heat shield. So it's got the insulation kind of on the back there, and it's supposed to go over that big black piece that blocks the exhaust heat from right where your leg goes. One of the things right out of the box that I've noticed is got some rubbing on either end of this. You can see there, so we're gonna see if we can clean that up. Should just come right off, and then what we're gonna do is get that on the bike. So I just wanted to make a quick video, throw on the channel of getting this installed. All right, so here's the bike. So this is the piece here that we're gonna be replacing. This piece here will go right there. Should line up right with those bolts. So there's two pieces that you can get to replace for this. There's this main A part here, and then there's the B part, which is actually underneath. I've only gotten the first part today, just spreading costs out a little bit, and then we'll go get the next piece a little bit later on, and then completely get that in carbon. You know, there's a lot of pieces on this bike that I would love to swap out for carbon. Obviously, you know, you've got these covers here that you can do. I think next I'm going to do the radiator because it just stands out in front of the bike, and I can really make that pop by switching that out to carbon. And then, you know, the rear mud flap here, hugger, we'll probably do that as well. So let's go ahead and get some Allen wrenches here. We're going to pop these 3 bolts out, and then we'll get this replaced. So here's the main heat shield that goes over the exhaust, and then this is what we call like the B shield, and this goes on there, and then this piece goes on top of that. So this is the piece that we're going to be replacing today. So when you take this off, set this down, there's these pieces inside the B shield. You want to make sure you hold on to those. And then there's washers in these that are pretty, they look almost like they're attached because they're pretty stuck in there because of the torque. You want to make sure you grab those as well. So we're going to use those when we put on the next one. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, so we've got that piece on. So it's just that quick. That's about 5 minutes or so of work, not even. So an easy upgrade to just give you some more pop on the side of the bike. So like I said, this was just the A piece, heat shield. The B is the underneath section here. So I'll probably order that in the next few weeks. And finally just kind of finish that off. You know, I think the carbon definitely looks good. It would look a lot better if it matched the B piece. I wasn't too sure if I would be able to hide that B piece a lot with the first one when I ordered it, but I can definitely see I need to order that now, but it'll do for a little while. All right, so thanks for watching. You know, this piece here is the original A piece. Saved a few ounces changing this out, but you know, this is really just plastic. It's not metal or anything, so you're not saving a whole lot of weight with that upgrade. Strictly aesthetics, I think. But anyway, if you liked this content, be showing the short upgrades and things like that on the 821, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment, and we'll keep these short little updates coming. Thanks a lot.